Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. Today we're gonna look at how to create a Tinder account from PC. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I'm already on the website tinder.com. If you have not gone to it, go to it right now. And this is the homepage. Right here you can see something like create account. Simply hit on the button and this will open up. Well, it's gonna give you a few options to continue with Google, log in with Facebook or your phone number. Right now I'm gonna select Google. You can select whichever one you wish. I'm gonna select it right now. Now I'm simply gonna select my Gmail address. I'm gonna click on it. You guys click on your respective address as well. Now it's asking us to enter our phone number. Let's enter it right now. Once you've entered your phone number, simply hit on next. A code will then be sent to your mobile number. Simply enter the code right here. As you can see, I have entered the code. Now simply hit on next. Now this is it. Let's simply hit on agree. Now what we need to do is simply add our first name, email address, date of birth, gender and others. I'm gonna enter it right now. Well, as you can see, I have added all the details. Right here, as you can see, I have added my profile photos as well. In case that you want to add your profile photo, simply click on this plus icon and upload your photo. Now I'm simply gonna scroll down. And right here, do note that you have the option to add your interest and sexual orientation. I'm not gonna add it. Right now, I'm simply gonna hit on continue. And guys, there you go. We have successfully created our Tinder account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.